chapter 7. Is your life a constant come from behind rally? You know you are running a rally when first the ringing phone makes you jump. Second, you are not getting any exercises. Third, you charge from meeting to meeting. So, is your life a constant come from behind rally? That means you are running out of time. So, these are the symptoms that you are running out of time. So we all go through such days. So we all go through such days or even weeks like that. Longer we sustain this killer pace, the more we suffer and less efficient we become. So this running out of time rally is not good actually. So the longer we do this, the more we suffer. Now call a timeout. By relaxing mind and body 4 or 5 times a day, you can achieve the control we need to reduce stress and be more productive. So we have to relax our mind and body 4 to times a day. So from avoiding such situation where we are running out of time, we have to do this exercise. Then taking mini vacations every day. 7 ways to go on location without leaving your desk. So taking mini vacations every day. This is next point. First is the breath break. For 2 minutes just breathe and take air away down into your belly. You should actually feel the belly rise. Then in private with your feet up and eyes closed would be nice. Of course you can take break in middle of meeting. So this is the breath break in which you have to for 2 minutes breathe and take air inside our belly. Second, the continental drift. Think of a place of a perfect contentment in your life. You may have to go all the way back to summer vacation during elementary school years. So take a continental drift. So this is about this point. Then pack up your troubles. Pack up your troubles. If your anger and frustrations has an abstract source, give it a specific shape. It's something bothering you, visualize and get rid of it. That's what vacations are for. Third is pack up your troubles means if something is bothering you, don't think about it and get rid of it through vacations. So this is a third point. Pack up your troubles. Fourth point is shoulder shrug. We tend to take out tensions and specific parts of our bodies. So shoulder shrug means taking out tensions on specific parts of our bodies means by shoulder shrugging we remove our tensions. So we can perform such methods like relaxing our shoulders or relaxing our specific body parts. So this is about shoulder shrug. Then fifth is phrase of the day. You can catch them from everywhere, from media, from your own mind. So there are phrases and there are some jokes and uh, uh, there are some what we can say jokes, some sentences, some phrases are there. So get in habit of writing them down. So we have to write them down. So when it is time for a break, pull out one of the phrases, read it couple of times and let yourself chew on it. So when you have time, pull out one of the phrases, then read it to yourself and we have to. So this is one of the exercise. Then sixth is object of your affection. Sixth is object of your affection. Hold a picture of a person with treasure, an object that has specific meaning for you. Spend 2 minutes with it, again letting your thoughts roam. So object of your affection means uh, So some objects like teddy bear, or some object like for example a writing pad, or for example it can be your watch, or it can be your special any object which is with which you are attached. It can be object of your affection. So spend 2 minutes with it, again letting your thoughts roam. So this is sixth point. Then advanced resting technique. Seventh is advanced resting technique. Will a 2 minute break really do you any good? Yes, it will, but you may feel uncomfortable breathing from your tummy first few times, and you may not notice effects right away. So advanced resting techniques include a 2 minute break. So is it really make you feel good? So yet yes, it really, but you may feel uncomfortable breathing from your tummy first few times, and you may not notice effects right away. So this is one of the advanced resting techniques.